Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both the phone and the target network device. First, confirm your data plan allows tethering and plug the phone into power. Then enable the mobile hotspot and create a clear SSID with a strong password, selecting 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Next, restrict connected clients to 1 through 3 while you configure. Once done, connect your primary device to that SSID to verify local connectivity before proceeding. You now create a bridge between the hotspot and the devices that need shared access. If you have a travel router, switch it to Wi-Fi client or repeater mode and join the phone SSID. This turns the router into the network hub. If using USB tethering, plug the phone into a router or computer that accepts a USB uplink and enable tethering. Make sure the router runs DHCP, NAT, and a basic firewall so downstream devices get IPs and can reach the internet without conflicts. You finish by validating and protecting the connection. Test several LAN devices and run a speed test. Once satisfied, set a short idle timeout and strong password on the hotspot to prevent unwanted use. Make sure the phone stays powered, use a charger or battery pack, and watch data consumption and thermal warnings. If things go wrong, try the key fix. Toggle airplane mode, then re-enable hotspot, or unplug and replug USB. Also confirm the carrier hasn't blocked tethering or requires a specific APN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.